everyone, it's Matt with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today we are going to be replacing the earpads on a set of Bose QC15 headphones. As you can see, these are not Bose QC15s, but the process is the exact same. So the first thing that you're going to do is stick a finger kind of behind the earpad, and then stick another finger here and just pull out, and then the whole earpad should come out of the headphones. It's basically just held in by this foam lip. And I wanted to highlight a difference here is that these earpads are aftermarket, and you can see that because they have blue foam in them. The authentic earpads have yellow foam, and there is actually a difference. I know I hate to just compare foams like that, but if you look at them, if you squish both of them, you can see the rebound. These tend to hold their shape a little bit better than the blue foam does, and basically over time these will flatten out significantly more. They're a little more poofy, but once you push on them, they're it's hard to explain it on camera, but basically they're just a little more dense, and they're more comfortable from our experience because of that. But obviously they're also a little bit more expensive, so it's kind of up to you, but they do last better over time. So it's not just that they're comfortable. These will tend to just flatten out and not hold their shape as well, whereas these will tend to just last longer, and the leather material on them is also a little bit higher quality. So we'll be putting authentic earpads on this set of headphones. So to remove the other earpad, all you have to do, once again, just stick your fingers in there. And you don't have to replace the mesh that's in here. If yours is in good shape, don't bother. The mesh is just held in by 2 pieces of tape. So if you want to pull it out, basically all you have to do is you just kind of grab the edge and you can just peel this off. And if you want to replace it, you can. Once again, not necessary. So we'll go ahead and put these earpads on. So first thing you do is just line up that edge kind of into the lip of the housing. And then you can just push it in. And we have, every now and then we do get, you can kind of hear it snap in there. Every now and then somebody says that these earpads don't fit their headphones. And if you're having that issue where you ordered some earpads and they don't fit your Bose headphones, it's probably that your headphones are not authentic. So if because the authentic sets use a different method for holding the earpads in place, and it is not, these earpads will not fit in there. So, and then what you want to do is just go back around until you're hearing it snap in kind of everywhere. And then you can give them a little tug test all the way around. And there we go, there's one right there, snap that in. But you just want to tug them to make sure that they're not going to come out. So now we have that left earpad in. We'll go ahead and toss the right earpad on now. It's kind of hard to tell if they're authentic or not, but if they are, these earpads will fit. And generally, the non-authentic Bose headphones don't have as much of a widespread issue as AirPods Max and other products like that of being faked. That's mostly Apple products or Beats products, but there are still some fake Bose headphones out there. And just like that, we go around, we do our little tug test. Oh, missed a spot there. Tuck that in. That's great. Awesome. So now we have a new set of earpads on the headphones. We do offer parts and repairs for Bose headphones, not the QC15, but other models. So if you have any interest in that, the parts and the service information are down in the description of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a lovely day.